Hey guys, it's Kamila from Code with Kamila. Today my dad and I are going to be showing you guys how to install Visual Studio 2017 on Windows, just in case you don't have a Mac.
Okay, so you go to Chrome, type Visual Studio 2017, go to Downloads. Again, you have four options. You only care about Visual Studio Community Edition. Click Free Download. Wait a bit. So it's downloaded this launcher. Click on the launcher. Click Run. Yes. Click Continue. And here you have multiple options. So let's pick the options we need. We don't care about UWP. We want to have .NET Desktop Development, ASP.NET, Azure. It's going to be awesome. We don't care about Python, Node.js, but we do want to have mobile development and .NET Core. After you select these options, click Install and wait. So it finally downloaded, and we just click Launch to start Visual Studio. You don't need to sign in. Let's pick a default theme and start Visual Studio. You can pin it to the taskbar if you want to run it next time. So pin it. So next time we can come back and click on this one to start.